Dito sa Japan guys, yan, meron silang designated na walking line. Let's go, this is our ship. Yan. Medyo lutang pa yan kasi wala namang kargada eh. Maglo-loading pala kami dito guys ng steel coil. So it's short time guys, let's go explore Japan. Woo!
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way.
Sakay na kami ng taxi. Medyo nahirapan kami kasi hindi sila masyadong marunong mag-English. Kaya translator, kaya hindi na ako nakapag-video. Sama ko si John Kenneth dito. Bali, dalawang taxi kami guys. Yun sila, nauuna. Pupunta kami ngayon doon sa Kokura Castle. Ayan, maliwanag pa. Alas 7 na ng gabi. Late kaming lumabas dahil may meeting pa kami.
Keeps pulling at my chain.
Good. So ito na, meron na yung bill ko. 1,100 pamasahin natin.
Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I...
So bali guys, ito medyo nagkakaproblema kami dahil sarado na mga palitan ng pera. So paano na to? Try namin pumunta sa 7-Eleven kung papalitan nila yung pera namin. Sana palitan nila. So yun guys, nakahanap kami ng 7-Eleven. Ayan, dito yung last chance namin para mag-withdraw. Tignan natin guys kung meron silang machine. Una, gumana guys, gumana.
さっきさ、入ってきちゃダメっすよ。ちょっと待って、俺金持さんじゃあ、ここ並んどってください、じゃあ。
So, ito na guys. Withdraw tayo. Let's go. Success. Buti na lang naka-withdraw kami sa 7-Eleven. Mayroon pala silang ATM machine doon. Bali, nag-withdraw kami ng 20,000 yen. Bali, 2 lapad yun. Kaya, ikot muna tayo dito. Hindi na tayo papunta sa castle.
Dapat yun na natin. Bakit dyan tayo?
So yun guys, naset na namin yung map papunta sa Ichiran. Magra-ramen tayo dito sa Japan. Let's go! Kain sana kami, kaso nga lang sabi niya, saka na daw. Ito, Ichiran. So dito na guys, Ichiran na kami. Ichiran, let's go!
Traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside.
Oops, tomorrow is another day. Yo, what's up? This is the day 2 tour in Kitakyushu. Bali guys, lumabas ulit kami dahil yung unang araw namin na lumabas dito ay bitin at saka nagmamadali kasi kami yung araw na yun eh. Kaya lumabas ulit tayo para explore talaga ang ganda ng Kitakyushu. Ito nga pala yung mga kasama ko ngayon guys.
Isang may buhok, isang wala.
Yan sila, yan. Si Chipet at saka si JKR. Yan si JKR. Yan yung dalawa, si OS at saka si Pax. Let's go!
My father sat me down and said, son, you best quit thinking about the next one. Before you know it, years will pass on by, slip away. Since that day, I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these little things, the moments in between. Yeah, they're the ones that I miss, 'cause I've been living for some days like this.
Dito na kami sa Kokura Castle. Ayan, pupuntahan natin to ngayon dahil doon sa day 1, hindi namin siya napuntahan. Ngayon, papasukin na natin yan. Let's go. So, nare-read nyo ba yun? Parang may nare-read akong tumatambol eh. Pasensya na guys dahil mainit dito. Pinagpapawisan ako eh. Dito tayo fresh. Let's go! Bali 3,000 guys, 6 kami. 500 isa. Six ticket. Thank you.
Where are you from?
Hmm?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah. Arigato.
These are the days. These are the days. These are the days. These are the days. I've been living for the backyard sunrise. I've been living for the nights that end too soon. I've been living for all these little things and moments in between. Yeah, they're the ones that I miss. 'Cause I've been living for some days like this.